gosh, really? You look amazing too! Oh my gosh, thank you so much! Happy Dapper Day! Hi, happy Dapper Day! Thank you! It's awesome! Oh my gosh, this is so cool! Ah!
This is the best spot in town.
Hi guys! Happy Dapper Day! Thank you! Thank you! Oh my gosh! Oh, that's cute! Hi guys! Yeah, it's gonna be our turn. Yay! Wait, they got stuck over there? I see. Oh. Woohoo! Happy Dapper Day! Woohoo! That's so cool! Happy Dapper Day! Hey, tour buddies! Woo! I love it! That's so pretty! Hello! Hello! Oh my gosh, I love it!
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, no se sienten en las galerías exteriores y disfruten el ejemplo. Asegúrense de vigilar a sus hijos y absténganse de fumar. Gracias.
Happy Dapper Day, gorgeouses!
That's the list.
Bon voyage!
Bon voyage!
Bon voyage!
Mark Twain is not just the name of a
Oh, there's a ducky. He's just again chilling. Happy Dapper Day! Woohoo! Hello, people.
On our trip, we'll visit the magnificent Columbia, the Great Northwest, the graceful
Happy Dapper Day! Oh, hey, hey. Happy Dapper Day!
Oh, look at her skirt. It's the teacup.
Oh, that's cute! I love those teacups! That's cute! Hi! Hello, hello! Happy Dapper Day!
Tiana's Bayou Adventure is part of Bayou Country. A world filled with tall trees and tall tales about animals that talk, play, and laugh.
Happy Dapper Day!
While you're in Bayou Country, you might want to grab a paddle and try your hand at
Love you, canoes!
Mark Twain.
Happy Dapper Day!
We see you behind the trees.
Happy Dapper Day! Woo-hoo!
As we head into the remote areas of the rivers of
Hello!
Happy Dapper Day!
Happy Dapper Day!
these ponds for years now.
Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. Oh my god.
Breathtaking beauty of Columbia River. Majestic trees, the stunning rock formations.
I love this part.
The moose, deer, and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent and so peaceful.
Deers? Are those deers?
Dear.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
And I do believe he's giving us a sign of peace. That means we're all clear as we head up the Missouri River to the home of the Plains Indians.
Perfect timing. Hi guys.
That's so cute.
What? Happy Dapper Day! Woo, woo, woo. This is so cool.
Perfect timing. I love it when
Oh
they
my
talk
god, I
to each other.
love it. So cool.
Off the port side of the river
I love him.
is a wise old shark, sharing a story for all of us to hear. He's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a hollow out branch
musical instruments. It's a legend, but a culture passed down generation to generation. And there, just beyond the show, is a tribe of Plains Indians, setting up their camp along the banks of the river. They'll be here for a few months, and yeah. As we continue our journey, keep a close eye on the riverbanks. There's a good chance we might catch a glimpse of moose, mountain lions, and other
You guys have lost. Let me help you out. Clearly you're not from around here.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, he just met his girlfriend. He's like, hey. What is your YouTube channel so I can follow
Oh,
you?
you're so sweet. Oh my, you were back. That was fun.
We're back from our long cruise.
Yes.
And now we're besties.
The besties. Okay. Beautiful shoes. Beautiful. This is so pretty. This color. Guys, what's up? Excuse me. So I have to do. Ooh, what's up, girl? Good. Sorry, I have to do this way since I started content creating.
Yeah, that's, hey, you should stand.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. What's the size left? Size left? Small. This is so cute. All the goodies here. Oh my gosh. There's so many pens. Oh, this is so cute. wow. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my god.
Those girls, I love those. Those are my favorite.
Girl, so cute.
This is actually fabric from the dolls. From Smallwood.
Shut up. No.
Yes.
Oh my god, look at the D. Look at my D too.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
I love
I made those
the
too.
classic. Oh.
I know I had 4, but this is my last one.
Do you have an Etsy shop or
I just
do you have your own website? Oh,
just commissioned.
okay.
And the things that I bring here are just for the shows. But if you ever want anything made,